Meet Dr. Destagir.
So welcome to the finals of DCAST basketball tournament. And today you are with Tom. He's going to cover all the event. Thank you, Tom, for covering this event. You are amazing.
Thanks for coming, Doc.
Yes, always
Okay,
pleasure.
Doc. Thank you.
Thank you. Best of luck for both teams.
Yes. And that's
Shut up.
Dr. Shadab. Doc,
Yeah. कुछ बोल दो.
say something about this event, Doc. Yes, this is Dr. Shadab Khan. Yes. Everyone is here. Everyone is here. Okay.
Grabe naman, tipid naman yan. 1,000 pictures. Maraming camera, sir. Fully paid na.
Magandang yun po sa ating lahat. Ngayon po, congratulations po po.
Shout out kay Mr. Brian Monse. Nasa Dubai po ngayon.
Ayun na guys, malapit na mag-umpisa. Magsa-start na talaga. So, konting antay na lang.
Sueca, number 17, Durama, and number 15, Bumarada. For the green team, number 25, Nas. Number 9, Passion. Number 10, Guzman. Number 21, Marcelo. And number 14, Melo. Let's get ready to rumble.
Isa-isa lang muna.
Guys, a minute. Continue. Traveling. 39. Traveling without visa. Dribble ball. Atake. Marcelo. Out ni Marcelo. Clean to shoot. Clean to shoot. Five. Okay na. Multiple foul. Penalty. Agaw. Bigay ka sa lalo. Pinasa kita. Pasyon. Hello. Attitude. Puntas po 3. Over. Out of bounds. It's very up to pay. 36 seconds remaining. Time remaining. 36 seconds. Let's shoot. Yes, pinababa bola. Dahil kung gusto ba. Shoot. Foul by Gokon. Ato kita shoot. Masuk tinira. Spot. Tulog po two. Timeout. Triple. 13.
May sponsor po. Ito yung mga shout out sa mga sponsor. Yan. Yan.
Ang po natin ay 40. Meron kami, wala kami dito. Una.
Okay, kailan ba? Kay Biren.
Keep play ball. Satu dito.
Ako, pencil ko hindi sana.
Foul. 11. Fourth personal foul, number 11. 13 foul. 14 foul, warning pa lang po mga sir. Seconds lang po tayo mga sir. 2 seconds. Good shot. It's good. Ibigay mo pa natin. Seconds. Kusita po. Score is 45. Congratulations. Super. Congratulations po sa
Noy!
Congratulations po for
Nice game, Chip C.
And congratulations.
We fought for the fight. And
Lipat ka na sa
still,
Chip C.
yes.
Okay. It will be on the championship champion team. No other than Patrick Meneses.
Hi, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Glenn, picture, Glenn! Glenn! Glenn, picture.
All counted na yan, no?
Sister,
There's a picture.
Sir, yung iPhone 17 Pro Max fully paid. Plus the jersey of the champions.
Sponsored by Karakib. Sir, papicture ako, sir. Papicture. Papicture ako, sir. Ito.
Ngayon lang ta. Tandaan nyo,
Yes.
ngayon lang ka na form.
Nate Marcelo. Picture. Okay.
Sa kanya mo na kayo bigay doon, no? Sige, dapat mo. Oo, sa kanya dapat. Siya magkasabit eh. Sorry ah.
Siya magsasabit.
Mr. Junju.
Jun Chu.
Mr. Joseph. Mr. Nagi. Mr. Serrano. Mr. Mello. Mr. Tabuhara. Mr. Pasyon. Mr. Asti Tupas. Mr. Dan Ross de Guzman. Mr. Elmer Alimario. Mr. Japet Inocencio. And Mr. Emerson Gonzaga. Next, Wilson. Next, Rotik. Rotik. Next will be Sir Ninoy Pacson.
Thank you, sister.
Patrick Meneses.
MVP. Congratulations. Mas 500. Is it 1,000?
Coco Yescueta. Lester de Guzman. Romel de Rama. Dennis.
Yan.
Alvarela. Glenn Raimundo.
Isa pa. 1, 2.
Siya, tinawag ka na. Tinawag ka na.
1, 2. Ano ba yan?
Rex. Ronald Seba. Ruel Pamarada.
Smile, Will. 1, 2.
Raymond Navarro. Paolo. Alex.
Smile, 1, 2. Walang wakil. 1, 2.
And last but not the least, the championship trophy for the shipping. Brian. Okay, all the players come in the front.
Okay, picture tayo.
For the picture taking.
Tapos na ba? Hello guys! Come on guys! Wala naman sa Jason. Sino mo kapatid dito? Glenn! Upo ka kung dito lang, no? Forfeit! Dyan! 9.17 cash! Fully paid!
Next season si Clyde. Laro ka na dito sa kanila.
Wait!
Uy, tapos nakita ka dyan.
Kahit pa paano? Second lang kami, second.
And now, for the champion team.
Guys, congratulations to Ship A. They won 2025 season championship game. Second lang kami. Better luck next time. See you. Bye-bye.